Hello, class. In this video, we're going to take a look at this exercise. Pig Latin is a nonsense language. To create a word in Pig Latin, you remove the first letter and then add the first letter and AY to the end of the word. For example, dog becomes ogday and cat becomes atk. Write a GUI program named Pig Latin GUI that allows the user to enter a word and display the Pig Latin version. So let's go ahead and do our Visual Studios. Let's open it up. We're going to create a new project, and we're just going to select Windows Forms Apps. We're going to call it Pig Latin GUI. We're going to click Next and click Create. All right. So first we need a label to give our user instructions. The label is going to say something like, enter a normal word. Right there. We're going to get a text box, and we're going to put it right up here next to the normal word. Our user can enter in whatever they want. And then we're going to have a button, and we're going to drag this button over, and we're going to change the text of the button, something to convert to Pig Latin. And there's our button. And then we're going to have another label for the Pig Latin word. Your word in Pig Latin. So now we have the word in Pig Latin that's going to show up in this other label. Okay, so let's go ahead and double click on our button to get our code up and running. So when our button clicks, when our user clicks our button, we want to fire off a code. What code do we want to fire off? Well, we are going to need to take information from the text box. So we're going to have a string type data for the word that they enter. We're going to have a string type of data for the Pig Latin word. And the word that they enter is going to equal the text box 1 dot text. And since text box 1 dot text already thinks it's a string, there's no conversion necessary. So we take that word, and then we're going to take the Pig Latin word, and the Pig Latin word is going to be word dot substring, and we're going to take the first index position, and we're going to go all the way to the end, which is word dot length minus 1. That's going to take us all the way to the end of the word. So when we substring, we are taking all of the word except for the 0 index position. So we're taking the first index position. For instance, in the word dog, we're taking the O, that's index position 1. And we're leaving the 0 index position, which is the D. So we're taking from the first index position to the end of the word. And then we're going to add word dot substring, which is going to be 0, 1. No, messed up, 0, 1. We're going to take the substring of the very first letter of the word, but not include the first index position. So we're taking the 0 index position up to, but not including the second argument here, which is the first index position. So we're going to take that first letter, we're going to add the first letter, and then we're also going to add the AY at the end of it. And that is Pig Latin. And now we have to have our output. So our label 2.text is going to equal, and we're just going to say something like PL word. Let's go ahead and run it. If we do dog, it should be ogday. If we do cat, it should be atk. Should we do kayak, it should be ayak. All right, that is the simple Pig Latin GUI version. That's all we have to do here today. Let me know if you have any questions, and we will see you in the next video. Have a good day.